Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. If this is your first time here, I make DIY hair videos to help you achieve your hair dreams. So in this video, not only do I want to sort of catch you up on what's been going on, what I've been up to these last couple of weeks, I'm ready to spill some tea on a big life change, but also I am very happy to be collaborating with this company today that helps you create a DIY version of our current and most used accessory. And to be honest, I never thought I'd be making this video this year, but here we are. Times are definitely different. They've been challenging. And if there's one thing the beauty community knows how to do well is to go with the flow, go with the changes, and constantly evolve. So as you guys know, I do get approached by a lot of brands. I feel like during this pandemic and during this time that we have been quarantined at home, I've been probably the pickiest I've ever been because it doesn't seem right to bring you anything that is not appropriate with what's going on. So instead, I have been taking this time to really bring you hopefully some hope and some good hair days. I've been trying to put out tutorials that can help you either touch up your hair. And as you guys know, I've also started doing virtual consultations, and it's given me a great satisfaction in knowing that I am still helping people feel and look their best. So when this filter brand, Filty, approached me, I absolutely knew that it was way up my alley. I love that it's not just a brand of masks. Filty is actually a brand of filter material that you can put into your DIY mask. So the 21 square foot quantity can provide from 50 to 80 masks. Now, if you are super crafty and have made your own mask, I know that my mom has made a couple. Now, we know that you can use anything from a scarf to a cotton t-shirt, but the Filty brand filter is a safer and more effective option. So whether you've made your mask at home or you are using a purchased washable mask, they normally come with this little sleeve so that you can insert the filter inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut myself a new filter. All right, so then I can go ahead and insert my filter. And there we go. Also, once you have the mask on, you don't want to be touching your face or the mask itself to rearrange it. You also want to make sure that these straps around the ears are snug. I know that the first time I used it, it felt kind of loose, and then I realized that that wasn't as effective as the mask could possibly be. So definitely adjust to make sure that you are getting the tightest fit possible. Another very important factor is before you touch your mask, before you put it on, always make sure to effectively wash or sanitize your hands. We're all glued to the hand sanitizer. I have a little sanitizer spray bottle in the car, in my bag, and of course all over the house. So this one I always keep in my bag. So go ahead and spray your hands. If you can wait for the product to completely dry, they say it takes about 15 seconds for sanitizer to actually kill the bacteria and virus components. So if you'd like to try Filty brand filters for your DIY mask creations, I have left a link in the description box down below. You can also get 10% off with my discount code here. All right, so now I just wanted to share a little bit of where I've been. I feel like in my last couple of videos, I've definitely just been sharing some tutorials and how to get your nails, your hair, and all of that. But I figured it was time and important to talk about where I'm at, what is happening with our current lockdown, and basically our future opening of the salon. So as you guys know, most hairdressers either rent a chair, lease a space, and the big issue for hairdressers through this pandemic is not only were we obviously hit by the fact that we weren't able to work, we weren't able to see clients, but on top of that, we were still burdened with having to pay for that space. Now, I feel like with many other jobs for people that were either laid off or not able to work, at least they didn't have any expenses that had to do with their jobs. And for me, the salon was 50% of my job. So you guys know I started doing YouTube shortly after moving to San Francisco. So I'm fortunate enough that there was at least a creative outlet for me there. I was still able to create content for you guys because it was one of those jobs you could do from home. I have an incredible respect for anyone that does hair behind the chair full time. And in this situation for me, I have felt that there has been such an opportunity to grow and an opportunity to really put my skills to work in every way that I know how, in maybe different avenues that I had never really thought about or had really explored. And it is really scary as an adult to change jobs, to change careers, to pivot your, career outlet or what you had in mind of what it was supposed to be in the next couple of years, and to have to change obviously is very scary, but it was the only option. And here we are today. So after a lot of careful thinking, I have decided to close down Ellebangs Salon Studio in San Francisco. It's not a decision that I have taken lightly. I have definitely stayed up many nights thinking about this. My reasoning for this was, even if salons were to open up in, say, 5 to 6 weeks, I personally do not feel ready yet to go back. Adam will remain working from home for quite a while, and I just feel that it's fair to me, to my clients, and to my family to just stay quarantined a bit longer. I know that so many people are so eager to get back to work. I absolutely understand that the economy can't just come to a halt for months upon months. I understand that things need to keep moving. I feel the fact that I am fortunate enough to have a connection to you guys and to still serve you in a different way, but still serve you with my hair knowledge and hopefully help you still get your dream hair. I feel like that is the better option for me and for our family at this point. My goal as of right now is to later this year, early next year, start looking for a location. I'm not sure yet whether I will be taking new clients or if this will just be to serve my current clients. And of course, I will keep you updated as soon as things evolve and things change and I have a more concrete plan. And more than anything, I want to thank each and every client that has sat in that chair. I also want to thank each and everyone that watches me week after week for your continued support and for this community that we have built. I personally feel that DIY hair will more and more become a way of the future. Now, do I think that it will ever eliminate hairdressers? Absolutely not. But I think if there's anything that this pandemic has really taught us is how amazingly resourceful humans can be in time of need. And of course, a lot of tragic and difficult things have gone on. It's been an absolute intense year. I had 2 of my closest cousins in age hospitalized for very, very serious things. I just feel like 2020 has tested us all in very many different ways to make some changes. I mean, the world needs change. So that's the latest with me and where I've been these last couple of weeks. Now, I really want to hear from you guys. I want to know how you're actually doing. Please leave down below whether you are back to work, how your situation has been, and I want it to be an open conversation where we can all kind of talk and really empathize with each other, because I think that's another thing that we have all more in tune with in these last couple of weeks. So I'd love to hear your stories. Thank you for hearing mine. So once again, if you would like to try the Filty brand filters for your at-home DIY masks, I've left the link down below. Go ahead and check it out. And I hope you're all staying safe, staying healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.